Every year in the UK, millions of people hit the shops to find that ideal gift. With only a few weeks to go to find the right present for your loved one, I'm here to help you choose the right gift for that car cleaning enthusiast in your life with my top 5 product rundown in this video. And also stay tuned till later to find out who has won the product of the year on the Hairy HouseWife YouTube channel. Now, the first item on my list isn't car cleaning related in the slightest. However, if your recipient is like me and likes a cheeky little alcoholic beverage, then this one will put a smile on their face. Now, I myself like a nice fresh ale, and one brand I would definitely recommend trying out is Adnams. Now, Adnams don't only just do ales, they have a selection of wines, ciders and whiskies, and they also have a low to no alcohol option. Now, one I would recommend you trying is their single malt whiskey. That'll warm you up on the inside. Now, you can find Adnams in your local supermarket, or you can pop online and buy your Adnams as well as some other cheeky little gifts. Or if you're lucky enough like me to live in the east of England, you can pop into one of their walk-in shops and grab yourself your Adnams gift from store. And for those who don't enjoy an alcoholic beverage, you can also treat them to a nice chocolatey snack. I mean, who doesn't like a sweet treat? And if you're lucky enough to visit Bury St Edmunds, then I would definitely check out the Rimba's chocolate shop at the Butter Market in the town centre. Now, if you are intent on buying car cleaning products for your loved one at home, then I would recommend popping down to your local Halfords. They have a wide range of car cleaning products. Now, one item I would recommend is one of these Meguiars Buckets. If you've noticed the person that you're looking to buy a gift for using those old style builder's buckets, then I would definitely recommend checking these out. These are solid, they are durable, they are very well made, and they're also very large. These are definitely a cracking gift for anybody that is into car cleaning and needs to upgrade their buckets. Now, if the person at home that you're buying for is like me and has all the tools and mountains of chemicals, there's one thing they would always appreciate, and that is microfiber towels. And there is one that I would definitely recommend above the rest, and that is the Gauntlet drying towel from the Rag Company. This super absorbent, super high quality drying towel is perfect for any weekend warrior, car enthusiast or detailer that you are looking to buy a present for. They will much appreciate a quality drying towel like this one. Now, what about if you want to buy a gift from the comfort of your own home, in your own comfy clothes, on the internet? Now, the first thing I would recommend buying is a gift card. Now, don't worry, you don't need to know which specific brand the person you're buying for likes to use, as there are many companies out there that stock some really quality brands, like this one here. This is a company called Clean and Shiny. The Clean and Shiny website offers a range of products for any level of car cleaning enthusiast, with gift cards that range from just £10 all the way up to £100. So you know whoever you buy that gift card for will be able to find something on that website they truly want. Now, my next item on the list is by far one of my favourites. Not only is it fun to make, it leaves you with a fantastic product afterwards, and that is the Dodo Juice Homebrew Wax Kit. This kit comes with everything you need to make a quality 250ml size jar of wax at home. So not only is this gift a bit of fun, it's very practical and leaves you with a usable product at the end. Anybody that you buy this for will 100% enjoy making it and using it. And while you're there, check out the rest of the Dodo Juice website, as there's some fantastic products on there that may suit the person you're looking to buy for. So that brings me to the end of the rundown of my top 5 products that you can buy that car cleaning enthusiast in your life. Now it's time for what many of you at home have been waiting for, and it's my personal product of the year. Now, this product has blown me away every time I've used it, from the first time to the last time. I've even bought multiple bottles of this to test it to make sure it wasn't just a fluke. And that product is Glipton's Vanish Pre-Wash Snow Foam. This stuff is outstanding. Like I said, I bought multiple bottles just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. If you haven't seen the video, please go and check it out. This product deserves the love and respect that everybody can throw at it. Now guys, I have been Hairy Housewife. You guys have been great. I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you.